Usa ka espesyal nga panagtapok ang giandam sa DepEd Cebu Province pag-ila sa sakripisyo sa ilang mga sakop subay sa kasaulugan sa Teachers Day 2022. Gipasidunggan ang kapin 30 ka mga magtutudlo, supervisors ug non-teaching personnel dinhi sa lalawigan. Human sa duha ka tuig nga online lamang ang selebrasyon, ning tuiga, sulob ang ilang Filipiniana attire, giila ang dakong kontribusyon sa mga excellent performers sa Cebu Provincial Division.
We are doing this to ensure that our teachers will be well awarded as well as our school heads and the schools who had made an impact, especially that this school should have innovation. What is important here is that students will be benefited at the end of these different competitions.
Nagkanayon si Dr. Fay Luarez, ang Assistant Schools Division Superintendent sa Sugbo, nga doon na sila'y gisubay nga sumbanan pagsusi sa tampo sa mga awardees nga magamit lukop probinsya. Sama na lang sa gitawag nila nga template maker nga si Teacher Juanito Perez Jr. Gipasidunggan isip outstanding teacher sa elementary division.
Honored because I never expected this would happen today because so far I just tried to do my job as a teacher, then nothing less than to receive any award as long as I did my best.
Ang gibuhat nga template sa radio instruction atol sa pandemic ni Perez mo'y gigamit sa Cebu Province atol sa online learning.
I'm a writer, an innovator of our school. I did my storybook and it was used during the radio-based instruction. And of course, I am a mentor to my co-master teachers, and of course, they said I am a template maker.
Usa lamang si Perez sa mga gipasidunggan atol sa division level National World Teachers Day. Gihulagway sa DepEd Cebu Province Superintendent nga si Dr. Marilyn Andales nga mga living heroes ang tanang magtutudlo.
Of course, we would like to inform everyone that our teachers are special. They're considered as the living heroes, considering that for 2 years, we were in the pandemic time. In fact, we are still suffering the COVID-19 virus. So despite the challenges that our teachers underwent, but still they were able to provide quality education to our learners.
Gisugdan ang makalihukan pagpasidungog sa mga magtutudlo niadtong Setyembre 5 hangtod karong adlaw, Oktubre 5 atol sa Teachers Month.
We would like to greet all the teachers of DepEd Cebu Province and other divisions a happy Teachers Day.
Alang sa My TV Cebu, kini si Angelica Fay Saniel.